Latest earthquakes worldwide past 24 hours. During the past 24 hours, there were 4 quakes of magnitude 6.0 or above, 42 quakes between 5.0 and 6.0, 42 quakes between 4.0 and 5.0, 129 quakes between 3.0 and 4.0, and 217 quakes between 2.0 and 3.0. There were also 474 quakes below magnitude 2.0 which people don't normally feel. Biggest quake today, 6.5 quake South Pacific Ocean, New Caledonia, the 11th of February 2021 8:24 a.m. GMT+11. Most recent quake, 2.5 quake North Pacific Ocean, 84 kilometers east of Nami, Futaba-gun, Fukushima, Japan, the 12th of February 2021 2:05 a.m. GMT+9. Source: PHILVOCS.